Hello viewers. In this tutorial, we will look at the integration features available in FogBugz. Integrations allow various other sites and applications to interact with your instance in different ways, including pulling case details into other applications and pushing content from other applications into FogBugz. The integrations can be enabled and disabled and generally managed by the admin users. Your FogBugz instance already comes with a number of built-in integrations that you can start using straight away. As you can see on this screen, we have already done the heavy lifting for integrating your instance with some of the most popular apps, including GitHub, Slack, Trello. Today, I will show you how easy it is to set up an integration using Slack as an example. With the Slack integration, we can achieve automatic linking of cases mentioned in Slack messages, unfolding of links to cases with links to actions, creating a new case or appending to an existing case. On this page, I can also specify under which project and which area the new cases created through Slack should be added. Now let me take you to the Slack integration page to complete the integration. Before that, I need to generate an API token for which I'll click on my name, select user options, create API token. Now I will copy this API token and keep it handy. Now let's go to the integration page. As you can see, there are just two fields I need to fill in order to enable the integration. First one is the URL of my instance, for which I will type the URL of my demo instance. In the second field, I will paste the API token I generated earlier. Now let me take you to the Slack channel and show the magic. This page belongs to my team's Slack channel and shows all the apps that integrates with. As you can see, Manuscript is one of them. Now let's see how the integration works. To mention a case within Slack, the format to be used is case followed by the case number. This will quickly pull the required data from FogBugz and show a quick summary view of the case as well as links to see more, edit, assign, and resolve. Clicking on any of these will take you to FogBugz and to the relevant case. This will create a new case with the case title as specified in the command. Let me take you to FogBugz and show you this newly created case. This is the new case that we just created from Slack. Now let's go back to Slack again and try another example. This text that I just typed will open the case 5877 and add the text as a new edit under my name. This is the update that we just added from Slack. As you have just seen, it is very simple to start using one of our built-in integrations. If you are looking to integrate with an app that is not in our list of integrations, you can use the custom integration card and fill in the required details. And if you are looking for more complex integrations, we have a lot of support articles and tips that you can get started with. With that, we have come to the end of this tutorial on integrations. Thank you.